हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी लोग का फिर से एक नए वीडियो में। एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस one of my trainee. He has already made the video. Already I have showed him in another video. Now it's time to once again we both are going to practice on a particular topic. Not topic, we both guys are going to conversate in English. तो आप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से देखिएगा किस तरीके से हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे। इससे जब भी हम इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे तो इससे होगा क्या कि आपके लिसनिंग स्किल बढ़ेगा, यानी कि सुनने की शक्ति। वी विल टॉक इन इंग्लिश एंड वी विल स्पीक मोर एंड मोर एंड वी विल यूज वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी सेंटेंस, ताकि आप लोगों को काफी वो चीजें सुन करके समझ में आए। क्योंकि जब हम किसी को किसी एडवांस कोई थोड़ा सा स्पीकर ऐसा होता है जो थोड़ा सा एडवांस होता है, बहुत टफ वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, बहुत टफ सेंटेंस को यूज करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो सारे बिगिनर्स थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि यार कैसे समझ में आए। And they have problem of grammar, they have problem of structure, they have problem of vocabulary. तो इस वीडियो के माध्यम से we both guys are going to conversate in English and watch carefully and listen carefully. Firstly, welcome Shubham, once again आपका स्वागत है इस particular वीडियो में। And I would like to please tell your name to all the viewers. What is your name?
Hello everyone, myself Shubham Yadav.
Okay.
And I am the trainee of Amar sir.
Okay, so firstly I would like to ask question. Shubham, how are you?
So I am fine.
I am fine. You can also use that particular word. I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah, that is the word. Looks like absolutely tongue twister. So in this video, now the second question goes to you, Shubham. When do you get up in the morning time?
It's near about 4 a.m.
Okay, it's near about 4 a.m. Okay, can you please tell me these days how you are working hard from morning till evening?
These days, as you know, I'm suffering for the English.
Okay, suffering from it is not the sickness and illness. Suffering from the English. Okay, you are just trying to improve your English,
Yeah,
right?
I'm just trying to improve English because you know very well what's the reason behind this.
Okay, the reason behind that is nothing. All you have to do practice and practice and nothing is there. Okay, so how you are improving your English and how you are just spending your time all the day?
I'm just practicing whole day because I know the what's the importance of English in my life.
Okay.
Because once I had failed because of the English, so I
realized on that time.
Yeah. And, from if you want to know, then I am just going to speak. Tell you from morning. I just wake up in the 4 o'clock.
Okay.
After that,
So when you wake up in the morning time, what do you think in your mind? I mean, what do you think in your mind, and where would you like to see yourself in the future time?
First of all, I think just I want to achieve my goal.
Okay,
whatever
that's
I want
very nice. You all guys, it is my humble request to all of you. Whenever you get up in the morning time, set goal and be on that goal and try to make that goal. And the moment you the moment you make the goal, definitely you will beat the goal. Because when you write the goal, when you understand your goal, when you really understand your destination, definitely you are going to beat that. So in the same way you are doing, right, Shubham?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so I mean my next question goes to you. Whenever you come in the class, I mean, do you think in your mind in English, right, or do you translate just from on the way you just try to speak English, or you just translate English in English?
I just translate English in behind my mind.
Okay.
Whenever you say anything in
It is a very common thing. Whenever when people start learning in English, in the beginning time they translate all the time, right? So in the same way you are translating, it's okay, it's very common, it's very general. These all things are absolutely common. When I started my journey towards English, on that time I used to translate on the way. I used to speak English with my friends. I used to do so many things with my friends, and I used to speak English all the time. I did, and I I put my all effort on that time. So it is very common thing. Try to speak more and more on the way. Try to speak try to speak on the way. Try to speak at your home. Try to speak with friends. Whenever you come in on the way, on that time you just speak in English, you just think in English.
Yes, sir.
These days what type of problem you see? These days what type of problem you see?
Regarding to my
Speaking skill. Yeah,
speaking
English
skill.
speak. Yeah, exactly.
First of all, I need a just like a
I mean,
friend.
you need a partner.
Yeah, I need
Okay.
a partner with whom I can practice a lot.
Exactly. And you if you don't get the partner, what will you do?
I will do one thing. I will just stand front of the mirror.
Okay.
And I will practice.
No, it is absolutely wrong. Whenever you stand in front of mirror, you will see your posture, gesture. You will see yourself. You will see your body language. You will see your, you will see the gesture of your body. You will see the movement of your hands. You will see yourself. So never stand in front of mirror. Try to stand in open area. And when you stand in open area, you will definitely express in such a way that you cannot imagine in your mind. So never ever stand in front of mirror. Try to stand in open area. Okay. And if you want to stand in front of mirror, so stand in front of mirror, but not in terms of enhancing your English, not in terms of improving your English. If you stand in front of mirror, you will get the way of your posture and gesture. You will get the body language. You will get the movement of your hands. You will get how you look. So these all things you will see in the mirror. Exactly. Okay. So it means that you are saying, if I don't get a partner, so I will practice alone, right? So whenever you practice, what type of problem you face? Whenever you practice, what type of problem you face?
First, I need a monitor just like who is experienced in this.
Yeah.
Because I'm just speaking, and what I mistake I made there.
Yeah.
One person should be available there who can stop me on my fault.
Exactly. It means that you are just saying that that person must be there, and he can guide you.
Yes,
right. He can understand your mistakes, whatever the mistake is there.
Yes,
okay. So it means that you are speaking well these days. You are doing great job in terms of speaking in English, and I can see on your face, and I can see your hard work. You always whenever you come to me, just you talk in English. Whenever you if you have work, you always talk in English. That's very nice. That's very good thing, because if your mindset become only speaking in English is good for me, definitely you will master the art of speaking skill. क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे ट्रेनीज हैं जो अपने इंग्लिश को तो improve करना चाहते हैं, but they don't want to speak more and more, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's all about practicing more and more.
If you speak more and more, then you will learn how to speak English.
Yeah, exactly. That's absolutely right. So many people are there. If they speak from morning till evening, if they think in English, if they use so many words in English, definitely he or she is going to speak English fluently and confidently. So
sir.
the next question goes to you. Whenever you are at your home, so what do you like to eat there?
What do I like to eat?
Yeah, whenever you are at home, not in restaurant, not in hotel, not at a particular place, not at dhaba. I'm just talking whenever you are at your home. What do you demand from your family to eat something delicious and all that?
First of all, I would like to demand from my mother to chapati with ghee.
Okay.
And after that, I like more dal with tadka.
Okay, you mean to say you are all about, you like the desi
Yes,
meal.
sir.
Okay. I mean, clarified butter will be there.
Yes, sir.
Chapati will be there, and I mean dal with the tadka. So
Yes,
you
sir.
like that. Okay. So in terms of fast food, what would you like to take if you are at any restaurant?
Sorry about that. I
You
don't,
don't
like
like that.
fast food.
You are totally health conscious,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, that's very nice, but I am not totally health conscious. There is no any health. There is no name of any health consciousness. I always eat from morning till whenever I go in the market. I just I just eat burger, pizza, French fries, and so many fast food are there. I always eat. It is my bad habit, but don't worry about that. I will make myself to the next level. I will make it clear in the future time. Whenever I go in the market, all the fast food attract me totally, and I am attracted towards that all the fast food, and I just demand, please bring one burger.
Fast food is the food just like that who attracts everyone.
Yeah.
Who goes in the market.
It depends on that people whether
It depends on that people he wants to eat or not.
Okay, that's you are health conscious, you are totally
Yes.
but I am not that. Okay, that's very okay. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is just Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, Amitabh Bachchan, the big B. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and who is your favorite actress?
There are two terms.
Okay.
Would you like to ask modern actors or old actors?
Oh, I'm just talking about old actor. Who is your favorite?
My favorite actor is Hema Malini.
Okay, Hema Malini. Or in terms of if I ask in the modern actor, who is your favorite?
In modern actors,
Hmm.
I'm just too far from the cinemas.
So you don't watch the cinema. You
No,
don't
no.
you don't watch movie. Last Saturday I went in the theater and I watched that movie was Fighter. Yeah, the Fighter movie. It is the movie of Hrithik Roshan.
I know.
Actually, my favorite actor is Hrithik Roshan. So I went in the theater and I watched that movie. Really, it was outstanding and it was totally it was beyond my thinking because the movie sheen was outstanding. The script was outstanding. It was all about patriotism. देशभक्ति से related था वो and it was to the next level and I enjoyed much. So you don't like
It means you have seen Fighter.
yeah, I have seen that movie.
I have seen only trailer.
Okay, yeah, okay, it's okay. Go and watch that movie. Still, that movie is available in the theater, and go watch
And in
that.
which theater?
Mau.
Mau.
Have you heard the name of district Mau?
Yes, sir.
There I went and I enjoyed with my friends, and I did not took the diamond seat. I took the gold seat, and it was outstanding. We enjoyed much. We ate popcorn and we took some coffee. We took coffee and all that.
Means
and
you enjoyed a lot.
yeah, I enjoyed a lot.
Okay.
And I enjoyed more. I enjoyed much because I wanted to see that movie. Because Hrithik Roshan is my favorite hero. That's why I wanted to watch that movie. And whether the movie is on that time I was thinking in my mind whether the movie is good or not doesn't matter. If the movie belongs to Hrithik Roshan,
Hrithik
definitely I will go to watch that. Okay, so viewers, आपने देखा कि किस तरीके से हम दोनों लोगों ने इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस किया, किस तरीके से हम लोगों ने कॉन्वर्सेशन किया. इट इज ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना बहुत ज्यादा, आप मास्टर करने वाले हो, आप सीखने वाले हो. मैटर नहीं करता है कि आप गांव से हो या शहर से हो. मैटर नहीं करता है कि आपके पास वो सारी फैसिलिटीज है या नहीं है. मैटर नहीं करता है कि आपके पास एटमॉस्फेयर है या नहीं है. मैटर नहीं करता है कि आप कोई स्पीकिंग क्लास को ज्वाइन किए हो या नहीं किए हो. मैटर ये नहीं करता कि आपको कोई उस चीज के लिए सपोर्ट कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. ओनली द वन थिंग मैटर्स एंड दैट इज योर माइंडसेट. क्योंकि शुभम ने बहुत मेहनत किया है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मी, देन कहीं ना कहीं मैंने भी मेहनत किया. और एंड राइट नाउ एज यू कैन सी आई एम एबल टू टॉक and I am able to train those
Teach
all
also.
the train. Yeah, I'm able to teach also, train those all the trainees. It's all about practicing. तो ये मेरा humble request है आप सभी लोगों से कि आप जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही ज्यादा आप सीखोगे. और एक और चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, बार बार मैं कहता हूँ कि मैं भी एक गांव से बिलोंग करता हूँ. आप ही की तरह मैं भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस किया.
Yes, sir.
आप ही की तरह मैं भी बहुत सारे बुक्स को पढ़ा. आप ही की तरह मैं भी एक आपके और मेरे बीच में एक कॉमन चीज था, है भी, कि हमने और या आपने या कोई भी, सबके अंदर एक कॉमन चीज होता है कि हर एक इंसान जीरो से स्टार्ट करता है. राइट?
Yes, sir.
सोम ने भी जीरो से स्टार्ट किया, मैंने भी जीरो से स्टार्ट किया, और आप सारे लोग जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं आप भी जीरो से ही स्टार्ट करो. ये कॉमन है. बट वन थिंग इज नॉट कॉमन एंड दैट इज प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर. तो जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आप बिलीव मी, you are going to speak English fluently and confidently. It's all about practicing more and more. तो इस कॉन्वर्सेशन इस वीडियो में आपने समझा कि किस तरीके से हम इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, किस तरीके से छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस को, छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स को हम यूज करते हैं. बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत आसान है. बस आप बहुत सारे सेंटेंस को प्रैक्टिस करिए. डेफिनेटली you are going to master the skill of English speaking skill. Okay, thank you so much. Till then, keep practicing as much as you can, and you always say, if you want to speak English fluently, do only one thing, and that is stop wishing, start speaking. Thank you so much, everybody.